Welcome to lecture number 21. In this lecture, we shall discuss product description. Product description is very common when e-commerce has been introduced in the market. Product description is very common in e-commerce. We know the businesses are becoming online, so they need product description. They need to provide information of their products to the audience. It has become a very common job. You can search it from freelance market, or you can contact directly to e-commerce websites showing that you can write good product description. Good product description can bring more customers to a website and it can increase the sales of the company. In this lecture, we shall discuss what is product description, how to write product description, know your audience, focus on benefits and features, use storytelling, make it easy to read, think about SEO. So let's start it. First of all, we shall discuss what is product description. It is very important to have good product descriptions on your online shop. It not only satisfies the customer, but it increases the credibility of your store. It helps your online shop, ranks it higher, and boosts the conversions. How to write product description? A good product description is one that boosts your sales. It should provide complete information about your product or service to reader in convincing manner. A good product description is also handy for the SEO of your website. Here are some tips that can help in writing a good product description. You should answer important questions. First of all, who is my customer? Why do they need this product? Product descriptions. Know your audience. It is useful to know about your audience to write an effective product description. Focus on benefits and features. It is very important to write product benefits and features to write a good product description. The features and benefits should be clear-cut to understand your target audience. Use storytelling. After identifying your audience, it is very important to touch its emotional side. Make it easy to read. It is not necessary to write long product descriptions. It should be easy and to the point. You can use bullets or numbers to make it more readable. Think about SEO. While writing a product description, it is very important to keep keywords in your mind. The usage of right keywords will help to bring your pages higher in search engine rankings. The consistent update of your product pages is also handy to get good ranking in search results. Use photos and videos. When we talk about product descriptions, then text comes in our mind, but keep it in mind that product description is a great source of conversion. Images and videos are very important to get your pages higher and interesting to convert a reader into customer. Thank you.